Hi, my name is Mike Radin. I'm a technical sales engineer at Cavallo. Today I'm going to be discussing Customer Portal. Customer Portal is an awesome tool if you're looking to give your B2B customers a way to place their own orders, or if you'd like to allow your outside sales team to place orders through a web portal. Customer Portal is totally configurable and you can secure down each user and group just how you need them to be secured. For example, a customer might only have access to see certain ship-to information under their customer card. Maybe it's a convenience store location that has multiple ship-tos and you only want a logged-in user to have access to their ship-to address. That is something that you can totally apply in security. For the example I'm showing on the screen now, that's exactly how the security is set up. Aaron Fitz Electrical has multiple ship-to addresses, but the current login only has access to one. On the home screen, you can see different information such as recent contacts, items, sales documents, and recent customers. If you are logged in as an administrator or a salesperson, you'd see multiple customers here. I'm going to go ahead and click into the customer card so you can see what this view might look like for a customer. You can give the ability to generate returns and invoices as well as quotes and orders and just specific doc types. So I have multiple order document types and multiple quotes types set up, but I only give access to these two for this customer. Customer can easily search for different order documents that they have placed. So this could save you time of a customer calling you and saying, hey, could I check in on the status of my order? They can easily look at the order here, see what queue it's currently sitting in to better understand, has it shipped yet? Is this waiting for picking? Where is this order at? They can see the access to their address information. So in this example, I have 4 different addresses set up for Aaron Fitz, but they only have access to the warehouse address code because that's the only ship to I've given them permission for. Sales document is going to be similar to the lookup screen we saw on the overview page where you can look up any sales documents, whether historical or not. AR, you can give your customer an ability to see their current balance, what they owe, understand what their credit limit is, and if they're able to order. Now a customer might have a question about what items have I ordered in the past. With the item history tab, they'll have access to see those items that they've ordered over time. You can choose to sort these different columns or search for specific items, and they could easily find those. Now let's go into actually creating a quote. So I'm going to create a quote because I like my customers to create a quote first, and then we'll confirm that quote and turn it into an order and confirm that with the customer. So if I hit quote, it's going to open up my order generation screen. What you can see here is what is called Quick Pick in SalesPad. You can configure this in both your desktop, you can configure this in mobile, and then here in Web Portal as well. So I've actually broken my products up into different categories, and this is just a small example for demo purposes, but you can have as many categories as you want, and you can build subcategories within those. I'm going to go ahead and click into my iPhones group, where I can see the iPhone 128 gig and the iPhone 256 gig. Maybe this customer wants to look into getting 3 256 gigabyte iPhones. So then I can go ahead and click the plus sign here, and it's automatically going to add below. 3 each gives me my extended total price, the price for each, everything's all set. Now, this quote is already automatically saved. So generating a quote can be that easy for a customer. Now with your sales team, you can give the ability to forward and transfer these quotes to orders, but for a customer, you might just give them that initial opportunity to be able to create. So now we know we have quote 29. If I navigate back to my sales documents, I can go ahead and search here for, sorry, that's a typo, quote -000. Sorry, this. And there we can see my quote's been created. I can click that and easily open it back up. Now you can also secure this so that once it's first created, that they cannot make changes after they have exited out. Or you can have them forward it to another batch where they wouldn't be able to make changes from that point onwards. Now, just to show that this is real time, if I go ahead and refresh my SalesPad desktop, you'll see that quote 29 was created here, which then I'd be able to open it up. I can see that this is locked by test 1, so they currently have it open, so that would be a signal not to make any changes to this or process it, which it won't allow me to do since it is locked. But you can now see this quote here, and you'd have the ability to do things like transfer to order, any other processing that you wanted to do.